Dear students, today we will continue with the same chapter, chapter 6, that is Introduction to MSW Logo. Our first topic for today is executing basic MSW logo commands. An instructions or order is called a command. In logo, a command is also known as a primitive. The logo commands can be typed in capital and small letters both. You need to type the logo commands followed by the number of steps. The command name and the number of steps are separated by the single space. Now we will discuss all the logo commands one by one. Our first command is forward. When you use forward command, the turtle moves to the forward direction to its head. You can also type FD, which is the short form of the forward command. Now you can see in the picture the execution of the forward command. We will move to the next, that is back. When you use the back command, the turtle moves back but the direction of the turtle head remains the same. You can also type BK, which is the short form of the back command. You can also see the execution of this command on the picture. Our third command is right. The right command turns the turtle right or in the clockwise direction. You need to mention the number of degrees by which you want to rotate the turtle head. After that, you can see the direction of the turtle head changes but the position of the turtle remains the same. You can also type RT, which is the short form of the right command. Now we will move to the next command, that is left. Left command turns the turtle to the left direction or you can say in the anti-clockwise direction. You need to mention the number of degrees by which you want to rotate the turtle head and the angle of the turtle head changes but the position of the turtle remains the same, like you can see in the picture. You can also type LT, which is again the short form of the left command. Now we will move to the next command, that is home. Basically, home command is used to bring the turtle back to the center of the screen from a different position, like you can see in the given picture. Now we will move to our sixth command, that is clear screen. This command allows you to remove drawings from the MSW logo screen and brings the turtle to its original position. You can also type CS, which is the short form of the clear screen command. The execution of the same command you can see in the picture. We will move to the next command, that is clear text. This command allows you to remove the record of the commands from the recall list box. You can also type CT, which is the short form of the clear text. Our next command is pan up. The pan up command lifts the turtle. It stops the turtle from drawing a line. FD or BK commands used after the pan up commands. It will remove the turtle to the another location without drawing a line, like you can see in the picture, and the PU is a short form of the pan up command. Now we will move to our next command, that is pen down. The pen down command turns off the pen up command and allows you to continue the drawing again. You can also type PD, which is the short form for the pen down command. Now we will move to our next command, that is hide turtle. Now you can observe the change in the given picture that you can use this command to hide the turtle but the triangle of the screen disappear when you use the HD command. You can also type HT, which is the short form of hide turtle. And the last command for today is show turtle. This command is used when you want to hidden turtle to reappear. You can also type SD, which is the short form of the show turtle command. You can see in the given picture also. Students, when you will do the practice, it will be more clear to you all, because these all commands are the practical based commands. Thank you.